Welcome back, friends. Today's vocabulary word is ranked choice voting. Ranked choice voting is a way of voting where instead of picking just one favorite candidate that you want to win, you rank them from your most favorite to your least favorite. Let's pretend you're at an ice cream shop. You love chocolate, but you also like vanilla and strawberry. With ranked choice voting, you can tell the scooper, I want chocolate, but if you're out, I'll take vanilla. And if you're out of that, I'll have strawberry. Here's how it works in an election. If more than half of the voters rank the same candidate number one, that candidate wins. But if no candidate gets more than half of the votes in round one, the candidate with the fewest votes gets eliminated. The people who put that candidate in their number one spot, their votes go to their second favorite candidate. This process gets repeated until one candidate gets more than half of the votes, and then they win. Have you heard of splitting the vote or the spoiler effect? Let's say chocolate and vanilla are competing for the number one spot, but some chocolate fans really like caramel because caramel is like chocolate, but better. The way we vote now, we just pick one favorite. If enough of the chocolate fans pick caramel, vanilla might win, even though vanilla is totally different than chocolate and caramel. Caramel is splitting the chocolate group. Let's make believe something else. Chocolate and vanilla are still neck and neck for that number one spot, but a third flavor, mint, enters the race. Mint has no chance of winning. They're new, they're different, they're not as popular. But a few of the people who would regularly vote for chocolate think mint is really cool, so they vote for mint. Now fewer people vote for chocolate overall, and vanilla wins! Mint is a spoiler. In both of these stories, chocolate fans might be mad at caramel and mint because they wanted everyone to vote for chocolate. But if we were using ranked choice voting, if more than half of the voters didn't pick caramel or mint, the people who ranked caramel or mint first, their vote would just move to their second favorite choice. Ranked choice voting helps us make sure that the most popular candidate wins, and people wouldn't have to worry about their vote being wasted or whatever. But if we want ranked choice voting, we're gonna have to change some election laws. In some places, ranked choice voting is already in use. This November, Maine and Alaska are going to use ranked choice voting to pick the president. For most places, changing to ranked choice voting would mean adding new laws or changing the ones that already exist. Want to get involved? You could petition for a ballot initiative, contact your local city council members, your state legislators, or other elected officials, attend town halls, public hearings, and meetings, and build support. Public support is super duper important if we want ranked choice voting. And remember, change takes time. Use your voice and have patience. Change makes a lot of people nervous, and ranked choice voting seems like a pretty big one to some people. But you know what? Change is worth it, and we can do it together. See you next time. And as always, there's a lot more to it than what we talked about today.